Hello, welcome to Solving Interview Puzzles with Nepunjan on my channel Brainbox. Today we will be doing a puzzle of paying a worker using a gold bar. So let's see what the puzzle is. There is a worker whom you have hired for 7 days, and for the 7 days of work you have agreed to pay him in a full gold bar. But the condition is that you need to pay him at the end of each day equal installment, that is 1/7 of the gold bar needs to be paid him at the end of each day. So you need to cut down the gold bar in such a way so that you can pay the worker at the end of each day. So you have to find out an optimum number of cuts in which you cut the gold bar in minimum number of pieces and the worker is paid for his work each day. Let's see the problem statement. You hire a worker for 7 days of work. Total payment of 1 gold bar for 7 days of work, and equal payments are to be made at the end of each day. In minimum, how many cuts can you pay the worker each day? Okay, answer in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so let's look at the most basic answer that you can give. You can say that we will cut the gold bar into 7 pieces so that you can give the worker for the 7 days of work that he gave. So you cut the gold bar into 7 pieces and each day you give him a piece. So that will mean the total number of cuts that need to be made are 6. But that is not a good solution. We can do better than that. So let's see. So let's start with day 1. At day 1, you cut the gold bar at the 1/7 part of the whole bar, and you pay that 1/7 part to the worker on day 1. Okay, let's see on day 1 how it will go. At day 1, you give 1/7 of the part. Now, what about day 2? And day 2, what can be done? You cut at the 2/7 of the part, but that will defeat the purpose of having an optimized solution. So, what can be done? You know that the worker is not going to spend his goal for 7 days as he will be working with you. But what if you can create a solution so that you make just one cut and somehow that cut will help to pay the worker, but that will be more than 1/7 part. So how can you do that? What if you take the 1/7 part back from the worker and now make a cut at the 3/7 part? That is, you make a cut at the 3/7 part, and now the worker has two parts and you have five parts. So everything is fine and good. Now let's continue this logic forward. On day 3, you will just give him the part you cut earlier. Now, what about day 4? On day 4, you need to worker to have 4 gold bars, 4 parts of the gold bar. So that will mean that he need to have 4, but he already has 3, and you have 4. So do you see any direct answer here? Of course, you just take back the 3 and give him the block containing the 4/7 of the parts. So on day 5, simply give him the first part on the to give him on day 1, and similarly for day 6 we just take back the one part, give him two parts, and again on day 7 you give him the last part. So how many cuts in total for this solution? Two cuts. It is better than 6 cuts. So this was the answer for this puzzle. Let's look here. So we have to make two cuts on gold bar. First piece is 1/7 of gold bar, the second piece is 2/7 of the gold bar, and the third piece is 4/7 of the gold bar. Each day we pay 1/7 of gold bar and we take back the excess. And in 7 days, the worker gets the whole bar. For any questions or comments, please mention below. Thank you.